Hey guys! Welcome to the Pi for All channel. My name is Thais, and in this video I'm going to show you how to transform a photo into an art text with Python. With PyCharm open, we will access the terminal and install the library called PyWhatKit. After the installation is complete, we need to import image_to_ASCII_art. Here we are going to create a variable with the path of the image we want to convert. Output_file is the name of the text file we will save after converting the image. Finally, we use image_to_ASCII_art to convert the image into art text. This is the image that we will convert to the text art. Let's run the script and see the result. In this video you learned how to convert an image into an art text. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.